Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Trini again, and today we're doing an unboxing of this beautiful shoulder slash body bag that I got from Kate Spade. I bought it through House of M. So see, this is beautifully wrapped. They really put an effort to wrap this. They even put a card note right here that says, "Thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it." I love the pink ribbon. Don't you just love unboxing when it's nicely wrapped as this? It makes so much more exciting. So there they retain the original packaging. It's from Kate Spade. They did not open it, so you receive it as it is. Okay, so we're going to open it. I'm excited. Here's the tag. It says Jane Wilson Road in black color. This is from Kate Spade. Okay, we're going to open it. So excited. Here it is, beautiful. It's made of nylon, by the way. And it has this plate. The hardware is in light gold. It's beautiful, you know, the combination of black and gold. Just love it. So here is the chain. It's around 7 inches drop. And this is the handle for the zipper. It's leather. I like this plate here. Beautiful. Right, let's open and see what's inside. So the tag says Kate Spade, New York, and at the back there is a tiny print that says it's made in Vietnam. There is an open pocket here, and a zipped pocket on the other side. Oh, here's our care card instructions. Okay, yeah, you can always get this whenever you get a bag or a wallet from Kate Spade. So basically just instruction on how to carry your bag. Right, the zipper is smooth. Okay, so let's see the gold chain. Just remove this packaging here. And here is the strap. According to the website, it has 21 inches drop. And you're gonna touch here. And so you can use this bag as a crossbody also. And you see here, this is adjustable, so you can make it longer or shorter depending on what you like. Now we'll see what we can actually fit inside the bag. Okay, so here's the stuff that I would put inside, just the basic of the basic stuff. So this is the cell phone, the iPhone, the small iPhone, and this is the Kate Spade small wallet. And then you can have a tissue paper, And I always bring with me my thieves spray. Okay, so you can put it there. And then this is my inhaler, peppermint inhaler. So I have it always with me also. And then lip balm. Okay, so they fit perfectly inside. I think you can still add some more, maybe your keys. So it's really small. It's perfect if you just want to have a quick run to the groceries, for example, or a night out with friends and you just wanted to bring the cell phone or wallet and keys with you. Though the chain is, for me, short for someone with a bigger frame. I think this is perfect for a petite lady. And also you cannot hide this. You cannot put it inside. The strap is the one that is removable. It's made of leather and it's adjustable. So you can make it longer or shorter, depends on what you like. I just wish that they made this golden chain removable too. But it's still okay. It really looks nice. Overall, I like it. I like the material. It's nylon and it's easy to clean when it gets dirty. The plate also, it adds details to it. So that ends our unboxing and review. Thank you so much for watching.